Imagine waking up to the breathtaking sight of snow-capped peaks, crystal clear lakes, and endless green meadows. Now, picture yourself in a land of dramatic fjords, rugged mountains, and geothermal wonders. Switzerland, the heart of Europe, is known for its picture-perfect alpine landscapes, charming villages, and world-class chocolate. Meanwhile, New Zealand is a paradise in the Pacific, boasting stunning coastlines, adventure-filled landscapes, and the spirit of the Maori culture. Both destinations are a dream come true for nature lovers, thrill seekers, and culture enthusiasts. But if you had to pick just one, which one should you choose for your next adventure? In this video, we'll compare Switzerland and New Zealand across 5 key aspects: scenic beauty, adventure and activities, culture and lifestyle, food and cuisine, and travel experience. By the end, you'll know exactly which destination is the perfect fit for you. So sit back, hit that like button, and let's dive into the ultimate travel showdown: Switzerland versus New Zealand. Let's start with landscapes and scenery. Both Switzerland and New Zealand are a paradise for nature lovers. Switzerland is famous for its dramatic alpine landscapes, charming villages, and pristine lakes. From the breathtaking Matterhorn to the picturesque Lake Geneva, it's a feast for the eyes at every turn. The country's landscapes are so stunning that they've inspired works of art and literature for centuries. On the other hand, New Zealand boasts a mix of fjords, rolling green hills, and volcanic terrain. The beauty of places like Milford Sound and Lake Wanaka are simply unmatched. Plus, New Zealand's two islands offer diverse landscapes in one trip, from golden beaches in the north to icy glaciers in the south. If you love snow-capped peaks and cozy chalets, Switzerland wins. But for sheer variety, from glaciers to beaches, New Zealand takes the crown. Okay, what about adventure and activities? If you're looking for adventure, Switzerland is a haven for skiers, snowboarders, and paragliders. The Swiss Alps offer some of the best ski resorts in the world, where the snow conditions are perfect for winter sport enthusiasts. And for those who prefer thrills in the sky, Interlaken is the ultimate paragliding destination. The Swiss rail system also makes it easy to explore scenic trails, so hiking is always an option. Meanwhile, New Zealand is home to the world's first commercial bungee jump in Queenstown, epic hikes like the Tongariro Alpine Crossing, and adrenaline pumping activities like skydiving and whitewater rafting. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who thrives on an adrenaline rush, New Zealand has an edge. With its extreme sports culture and diverse landscapes, it offers an adventure for every type of thrill seeker. Next, let's talk about culture and food. Switzerland offers a mix of German, French, and Italian influences, making it a melting pot of European traditions. From the world famous Swiss cheese fondue to decadent chocolate, foodies will find plenty to indulge in. And let's not forget about the scenic train journeys like the Glacier Express, which take you through some of the most stunning landscapes in the world. Meanwhile, New Zealand's rich Maori heritage brings unique traditions like the powerful haka dance and delicious hangi feasts, where food is cooked underground. If you want history and refinement, Switzerland is your spot. But for indigenous culture, warm hospitality, and a laid-back vibe, New Zealand is the way to go. Next up, cost and travel experience. Now let's talk about the budget. Switzerland is known for being pricey. Accommodation, transport, and dining all come here at a premium. The cost of public transportation is also high, and luxury hotels and fine dining are the norms in major cities like Zurich and Geneva. However, the quality of service and efficiency in Switzerland is top-notch, making it a seamless travel experience. New Zealand, while still not cheap, is relatively more affordable, especially for budget travelers and road trippers. Camper vanning is a popular way to explore the country on a budget, allowing you to take in the landscapes at your own pace. Food and accommodation also offer more budget-friendly options, from hostels to charming local lodges. If you're on a tight budget but still want an unforgettable experience, New Zealand gives you more bang for your buck. So, which one should you visit? If you love luxury, history, and alpine beauty, Switzerland is for you. But if you're all about adventure, variety, and cultural experiences, New Zealand is the winner. Whether you're dreaming of skiing in the Alps or hiking through Middle Earth landscapes, both destinations have something incredible to offer. Where would you go first? Let us know in the comments. Do check out our other episodes in the series where we compare exciting destinations such as Bali and Phuket, Jaipur and Istanbul. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel comparisons. See you in the next adventure.